Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, bringing you another money making video. And in this one, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning up to $60 an hour, you guys, completing very, very simple micro tasks. Now, this works worldwide. You can do this on your cell phones. You can do this on your laptops, your desktops, on all of your tablets. As long as you have a smart device that connects to the internet and you can surf the web, you can get started doing this and earn up to $60 an hour or more. We're talking about money in the thousands. And if you stick with me through this entire video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I got started making money online, you guys, almost 11 months ago. I was doing exactly what you were doing. I was typing in work from home, free PayPal cash, how to make money online, you guys. I knew that there was a better way that I could create passive income and actually build a business online that I could scale through the roof and actually make a large sum of money. There are people doing it. I saw them doing it and I knew I could do it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get started because I have spent so long, you guys. I'm talking about 15 years trying all kinds of different crazy various businesses where I spent all kinds of money, wasted my time, got so frustrated, gave up, started again, gave up, and then started again. And I just needed someone that would show me exactly what I needed to do, that would take me by the hand and show me step by step. Hey, Chad, do this, now do this, now do this. And, you know, an exact blueprint of what I needed to do so that I could find success online, you guys. So stick with me all the way through this entire video. Don't jump ahead. You don't want to miss any of the details. That way, all of this works out for you. And I'm going to show you, like I said, exactly what I'm doing so that you can get started and implement it in your life, you guys. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, a college student, stay-at-home dad, anybody that just wants a more flexible work arrangement that wants to scale a business online, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm also going to show you 3 different very legitimate websites, like I said, you guys, that you can start putting money in your pocket today, completing some very, very simple micro tasks. So let's get straight into this. Alrighty, my friends, let's get started making some money online. Drop me a comment, just type make money online, free PayPal cash, ask me questions, whatever you like. Make sure that you smash that like button if you find any valuable content at all during this video, and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel because I'm coming out with 2 to 3 very, very important videos every single week teaching you the best money-making strategies on the internet. So let's get straight into this and put some money in your pocket. Alright, you guys, so let's get started earning some money online. Like I said, this works worldwide, and we're going to be doing a bunch of different little micro tasks. I'm going to show you 3 different websites, and we're going to present these to you from my least all the way to my favorite website, you guys, but they're all 100% legit, and you want to use all of these in tandem to create the most earning potential possible. Don't jump ahead through this video. Don't skip through it. Make sure that you're paying close attention to all the steps. That way you can maximize the amount of money that you can possibly make doing this. I've tested these out, and this is the best way to make money with these websites. So this first one that we're looking at right here, you can see that there's an example right here that they have for us of some different types of micro tasks that you can be completing and start earning money today, literally tonight, by signing up and completing these. So for example, you can go to a YouTube video, like a YouTube video, and get paid 10 cents. They estimate that it takes 1 minute. I think you can have this done in 10 to 20 seconds, if that, you guys. Literally gonna click on a link, go to a video, like the video. You don't have to watch all of it. You can close it out. You're gonna earn 10 cents for doing that. And you can do this over and over and over again, you guys. There's hundreds, if not thousands of tasks that are just like this. You can go to a Twitter account and, you know, follow people on Twitter. Now, you can also go and sign up for insurance forms. They'll pay you $1.50, and they estimate that this takes 5 minutes. It does not take 5 minutes, you guys. I did this in 2.5 minutes. It doesn't take, they're very, very lenient, or not lenient, but they add a bunch of extra time on there for the expectation as to what they think that you're going to have it done. And you can get these tasks done a lot faster than that. And there's a lot, like I said, hundreds, if not thousands of tasks just like this. And by the way, if you're going to be going out there and signing up for insurance forms and you don't actually need insurance, what I highly recommend that you do is you go out there and create not a fake email account, but an email account that you can send all of your junk mail to, right? So that when you're signing up for all these different things, you're not giving out your real email account and getting a bunch of junk mail. So you can actually even get paid for creating a Gmail account, right? So you can create your spam email account, get paid 13 cents for that. They estimate that it takes 3 minutes. It may take less than that. It may take you more, but there you go. That's a great way. That's something that I actually implement in my own life
Whenever someone asks me for my email address, that's what I give out, unless it's somebody I really, really want contacting me. I give them basically my spam email address. You can go on here, sign up to play games, earn 20 cents for that. Again, another YouTube video, following people on Twitter, uploading photos, bookmarking pages. Very, very simple stuff, you guys. And what happens when you go and complete these tasks, you're gonna see these little check marks that appear next to the tasks that you've been presented with. And then you can see the money that you've earned. And you can complete these tasks very, very quickly. And this is how you can earn up to $60 an hour. Moving on here, my friends, this is another website right here that has tons and tons of different micro tasks that you can complete. Now, these range anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, all the way up to like $9 for completing these micro tasks. All of them are very, very simple. And what I really like about this website right here is the variety of different tasks that they have available. Now, ultimately, what I recommend that you do with all of these sites as well, here's how you can actually make more money doing this. Make sure that you sign up for every single one of these. That way, if you run out of tasks on one of the websites, you can jump over to one of the other ones and actually continue completing more micro tasks and making more money, right? So if you want to do this as actual part-time employment, you can't just depend simply on one of these websites, because if you run out of tasks, then you're going to need an alternative source of income, right? So sign up for all three of them. That way you can maximize your earning potential on these websites. That's what I do personally, and that's how I was able to start generating some income when I first started making money online, you guys. By the way, this is ultimately not the best way to make money online. We're going to discuss that at the very end of this video, so make sure that you're sticking with me all through this entire video. So checking out this website right here, you guys, I love this. What I was talking about on this website is all the different ways that they have to make money on here. And the reason that they have these different types of ways to make money is these businesses go out and they crowdsource through these different platforms that we're talking about right now to create all these different little micro tasks, all these different little tasks that they need done and completed. And that's how you're getting paid. So if we drop down through here, you can see that there's just a ton, right? You can go on here and determine image color, right? They're gonna flash pictures at you and they're gonna ask you to tell them what color the image is. And you might ask, well, why would you even do that? Well, you're teaching artificial intelligence, computers and stuff, how to determine what these different colors are. You're training computers basically. You can be taking surveys. You can be a moderator for images, right? If there's images and stuff that are not supposed to be there, you basically are just going to click on the image that's not supposed to be there. This website has so many different things that you can do on here. You can be labeling messages, taking more surveys, image mining for logos and stuff like that. And if you read through these descriptions, they kind of tell you exactly what they're looking for right here. This is the part that the business would actually come to and fill out the template so that they could send jobs to people like you and I. But if we keep coming through here, you can be tagging images with different things that you see, right? So they're gonna flash pictures at you and different things that you see, right? And this one right here, they have a picture of a dog and someone said, it looks like a silhouette, it's a dog and it looks small. So if you can do stuff like that, you can literally start earning money online. If we keep coming down through here, they have video scoring. So watching videos and providing a score. Image annotation. It might ask you to outline the hair of somebody in an image, and you're simply gonna drag your cursor around the person's hair so that you can teach artificial intelligence what to look for when they're looking for like hair and stuff like that, or different body parts or clothing or whatever. Very simple things that you can come on here and do and start making money. Just scrolling through here, looking at all the different things, and just want to point some of the ones out that stick out to me, that interest me, right? You can be rating people's different emotions for tweets. You read a tweet, and you're gonna rate the emotion that you feel after you've read that tweet. They even have on here mobile application testing. So if you like downloading mobile apps, you can go on there, download the apps, test the applications out, and then provide some feedback. And by the way, the more complex micro tasks that you do, the more money that you're going to make. So the really, really easy ones are gonna pay you maybe a few cents, 50 cents, maybe a little less, maybe a little bit more. But the more complex tasks that you do, you can actually start earning $5 up to $9 just for completing these tasks. So don't shy away from the ones that you think might be a little bit more complex. Coming down just a little bit further here, you can even do transcribing license plates, guys. So they're gonna show you pictures of license plates, and they just want you to write down what you see in the actual image, right? Because computers can't see what's on an image. So they can show you pictures, and you're gonna write down the numbers and letters that you see on license plates. Very, very simple stuff.
coming down, you can even rate landing pages, right? So they're going to give you different web pages that they want you to click on. You're going to arrive on these different landing pages and you're going to give them a rating. So it doesn't get any simpler than this, you guys. It's so simple to start making money online. I don't want to hear anybody say that they cannot make money online. These guys make it so insanely simple. Come through here, check out all these different micro tasks on these sites. And by the way, stick with me. I'm going to give you the names of these sites here in just a moment. They're 100% legit. I've done my research and I've used these sites myself to make some money online. Right, you guys, this website right here is my absolute favorite out of the three, and this one is called ClickWorker. And the reason that I love this is because this one actually has a mobile application that you can use. And this is in the Apple iOS store as well as the Google Play Store. You can download this application and do this directly from your mobile device. You can do the others from your mobile device as well, but you're just gonna have to do it through your web browser. This one has an actual application. It's very clean, it's very professional looking, and I just love these guys. They're very high paying. They don't have as many different jobs, but I absolutely love the jobs that they have that they present you with that you can do. They're very easy to do. They're fun to do. I'm just going to read through this and go through this really quickly here. This one is called, like I said, ClickWorkers, and they're always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. So very similar to the other websites that we were looking at, however, just not as many jobs. And these guys pay more money, you guys. They're more professional, they're better. That's why I saved these guys to the end, because I knew that you would absolutely love what I had to share with you on this one. How it works is you sign up as a ClickWorker for free. There's no charge. You work independently. Your schedule is flexible. All you need is a computer and or mobile device with an internet connection, just like we've been talking about through this entire video. You decide when and how much you want to work. You are a freelancer, and you work on that type of basis, you guys. So no one's telling you when and how much you have to work. You work when you have time. You can click on these buttons right here, get signed up right there, you guys. I'm not an affiliate for any of the people that we've been talking about on this video thus far, so I'm not getting paid to tell you about any of this. This is simply my knowledge and me sharing that with you and helping you make money online. If we continue on down this page, you can see again, they have the Apple App Store, Google Play Store. We'll check that out in just a second. I want to show you, their ratings because they're rated very, very well. I believe 4 stars. We'll look at that in just a second, but I wanted to show you the different types of jobs that they have on this page. So what types of jobs do they have? They have text creation, where you're creating informative text, products, descriptions, or articles about a given topic. They have categorization things where you categorize data of websites. They have copy editing. Copy editors check correct text with regard to content style and exact implementation of their job instructions. So if you're someone that's better in English or with your particular language, you can check and correct text and proofread stuff. They even have another one that's actually called proofreading, where you're a proofreader and you assess the text to create with regarding or spelling and grammar styles. So again, someone who's good in grammar and spelling, this would be great for you. You can even get paid for just researching the web, you guys, going out there and finding data for addresses of companies and restaurants and other localities on the web. You can do surveys if you're someone who likes to share your opinion. There's various different types of surveys that you can do with ClickWorkers. You can do mystery visit if you like to be a mystery shopper and get paid for weekly shopping trips, visit nearby stores, take pictures of products on shelves, upload them to ClickWorker. That's it. I thought that was really cool. I've done that myself, you guys. They go out there to tell you products that they want pictures taken up on a shelf because some company wants to know what their product looks like on a shelf. It's very, very simple stuff to do and a great way to earn some extra cash. Again, I like to, play with different applications. So if you're someone that likes to, play with different applications, you can test these out and provide your feedback, get paid that way as well. By the way, this is a very high paying one right here. If you want to spend some time doing that, it's one of their higher paid tasks. That's just a little FYI. If you're someone that likes to take pictures, you can go and actually capture different photos, upload those, and get paid just for taking pictures. You can get paid for taking videos and audio recordings as well. So tons of great different ways that you can make money right here on ClickWorkers. If you want a little breakdown of exactly how this works, all the different benefits, you can check this out right here. I'm not going to read through every single one of them, but just to check out how it works, you basically just get signed up, fill out your user profile, you complete a short assessment. This is important right here. You want to make sure that while you're completing these short assessments that you're paying close attention, that you're giving this your best, because this is the different types of tasks that they're going to be presenting you with.
because this is how they assessed how competent and stuff that you are. So spend some time when they actually give you these assessments and, you know, really give it 100%. And then they even spell it out right here for you. Good results ensure many jobs. So the more time that you spend right here and the more effort that you give this, the more better job that you're going to get, the higher paying jobs that you're going to get. And then you can process these jobs online and get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. Real quickly here, you guys, just popping back up to the top, and as promised, reviewing this in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. Let's check out these ratings. Over here in the Google Play Store, you can see this has been rated by 6,677 people, roughly 4 stars. People absolutely love this application. They love ClickWorker. They're making money with it. You cannot get a 4-star rating like that without having a very good product. Checking this out over in the Apple App Store, again, 4.2 rating. This has been rated by 369 different people. So people really, really like this application. They like ClickWorker. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and do a recap here real quickly. We talked about 3 different websites that you can perform all these different micro tasks on, and they were from my least all the way up to my favorite. Now, the first website that we talked about was rapidworkers.com, you guys. The second one was called MicroWorkers, and you can get there by typing microworkers.com. So rapidworkers.com, microworkers.com. And then the third one, you guys, was clickworker.com, and that's my absolute favorite. Cannot recommend that one enough. Every single one of these I recommend. They're 100% legit, and you can do this in basically worldwide, you guys. 130 plus different countries all over the world. They pay in PayPal cash. They're paying weekly, if not monthly. Go out there, start earning your extra cash. This is a great way to have a little side hustle to start bringing in some extra cash, you guys. Like I said, sign up for all 3 of them. That way you can maximize your effort and your results. If you're not getting enough jobs on one of the websites, you can jump over to the other one. Cannot recommend that enough. Make sure that you spend some time on the assessments in the ClickWorker website as well, because you're going to get higher paying jobs if you submit some real good quality assessments back to them. I cannot recommend that enough as well. Now, I told you in the beginning of this video that if you were serious about growing a real online business, if you are someone that considers yourself an entrepreneur or just looking for a way to break free from your 9-to-5, so where you can fire your boss, get time back on your side, get passive income in your pocket, and start a business online, you guys. All businesses are going online. They have to have an online presence. Amazon literally changed the game for everybody with what they're doing online. So now everyone has to have, you know, a business online. I don't know if you walk through your local mall or your shopping centers and you see all these different brick and mortar stores that are closing down. It's because they're struggling so much, because so much business is going online now. People like to just go window shop in these stores and they go online to actually purchase stuff. If you want to create your own business, I cannot recommend enough to have an actual business online. That's what I wanted to do, you guys. I wanted to find something literally that, you know, I could, work from anywhere in the world, something that, you know, gave me passive income. I seen all these other people doing it, and I had tried this several years ago and I failed. That's because I didn't have the right people behind me, backing me, telling me exactly what to do. And I eventually gave up and lost a lot of money, lost a lot of time. And I tried several other different businesses in the past as well that just didn't work. Some of them were MLMs, where I was, you know, chasing around friends and family, trying to get them to buy all kinds of different crazy products. I tried real estate, selling real estate, being a real estate investor as well. And I'm not saying these different things don't work. I'm just saying I don't think they're the best business model. If you want to create a real online business, what you want to do is you want to check out my #1 recommendation. It's directly beneath this video. It's where I got started 11 months ago. I've had insane results. Literally, you guys, insane results. It's the most success I've ever had with starting an online business. And what's coolest to me about this is it's a real business, a business that you can scale through the roof, that you put in a ton of effort and get real passive income, you guys. If you're not sure what passive income is, look that up. It's basically, you know, getting paid for doing something once over and over again. So check out my #1 recommendation, you guys. Cannot recommend that enough. That is how you actually can, you know, break free from your 9-to-5 and live, a lifestyle that you actually dream of. So that's all I have for you today. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end of this video. If you have, by the way, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you smash that like button, you guys. It helps to grow my channel. It helps get this information out to as many people as possible. And make sure that you drop me a comment and share these videos. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.